Hello, this is Muhammad Awais from Techuni. Uh, I'm. This is a reply to the mail I received from the API Dev OAuth verification team, and this is going to detail the OAuth connection workflow, which was missing in the previous video. So as I mentioned in the previous video, when a user logs in, we have this platform connections page, and here we can see the Google OAuth connection. We can view the details about it with the permissions and the ad accounts that are connected to that OAuth connection, right? What I'll do in this video is I'll go ahead and disconnect, and it gives a disclaimer, and then you can click disconnect. Okay, now we'll go ahead and make a fresh OAuth connection with Google, and if I click on connect, it's going to ask me the requirements and the permissions. And if I click connect via Google Ads, it's gonna go here. It's gonna tell me to choose an account, right? And I guess we have links to the privacy policy in terms of service here as well, which is a good thing. Uh, so I'm gonna go ahead and make an auth connection with the account that I already have logged in. I'll allow it the permissions. Uh, Allow. And this will take us back to the platform connections page where we now are successfully connected to Google uh, with through the OAuth connection. And these are the accounts that were retrieved while making the OAuth connection. Uh, yep, so that's it. I hope it covers everything that was mentioned in the mail, and I look forward to getting to production. Thank you, guys.